Hello kids, welcome back to online classes. My name is Renuka Devi. I am from Appa Public School. I am handling social studies for grade 4. So students, as you all know that we have completed Essay 1. So today we are going to start Summative Assessment 2. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is Climate of India. Climate of India. So first we will study about weather. Weather is a condition of atmosphere. Weather is a condition of atmosphere of a place at a particular time. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere of a place at a particular time. It changes day to day. Weather changes day to day. Weather tell us how hot or cool. What do weather tell us? Weather tells us how hot or cool a place is a short period of time. Weather tell us how hot or cool a place is in a short period of time. A weather forecast. Here you can see this is the picture of weather forecast. This is the picture of weather forecast. Weather forecast is a description. Weather forecast is a description on the radio or television. Today how is the weather condition and how the weather will be in the further few days, it will be described in the television, either on the radio. So here are the some pictures that indicates what the weather is. And in this weather forecast you can see that they have described the weather day to day. The weather they have described day to day. So these are few symbols that they use in the weather forecast. First one is sunny. This picture indicates sunny and next picture indicates partly sunny and next partly cloudy and next sunny and rainy and next raining, thunderstorms, snowing, cloudy, windy, rainbow and clear. So on Monday, look, everybody look at this picture. On Monday, how is the weather? How is the weather? You can look here and say me. How is the weather? It is cloudy. It's here. Weather is cloudy. On Tuesday, how is the weather? Weather is raining. On Tuesday, it's raining. And on Wednesday, it's partly sunny. It's partly sunny. And on Thursday, it's sunny. On Thursday, it's sunny. And on Friday, again it's partly sunny. Okay. And the weather is shown in maximum and minimum degree Celsius. It's shown in degree Celsius. Here you can see it's maximum. And here they have shown down minimum degree Celsius. Okay. What the weather will be like today, tomorrow or for next few days. Yes. Next we will move on to some examples. In the morning, how is the climate? It's bright and sunny. In afternoon, in morning, it is clear, cloudy in morning. And in afternoon, it is bright and sunny. And in evening, it is raining. And in night, it's very cold. It might be, at night, it might be very cold. Next, coming to climate. Yes, what do you mean by climate? The weather condition of a large area, the weather condition of a large area over a long period of time is called its climate. The weather condition of a large area, weather condition of a large area over a long period of time, over a long period of time is called climate. Okay, whereas the weather changes day to day. Even it changes, for example, in morning it might be different type climate, and in evening, afternoon, but whereas climate stays for long period of time and weather day to day. It changes day to day. The weather of a place changes daily. The weather of a place changes daily, but the climate of the place may not change for several years. The weather changes daily, but the climate of the place may not change for several years. The climate of the place depends on the temperature, rainfall, altitude, wind, along with the type of landforms. As you all know, children, in India we are having different type of landforms in different place. In last sem we have learned how many landforms are there? There are 6 landforms, right? So in India, there are many different landforms. So the climate is depend on the landform. The climate of the place influences the lifestyle of the people living there. Yes, the cloth they wear. In the northern plain it's very cold. Yes, right. So the people there, they wear a warm cloth. Whereas in the coastal region it's very humid. So they wear a cotton cloths. So in different landform there are different, we find different type of climate, and the people living in different landform wear different type of cloth according to the climate, and they eat different type of food, type of houses. According to the climate, the people living there, they build the houses, and even they grow the crops according to the landform and the climate. For example, Ladakh, it stays cold for most of the year and has cold climate. It stays cold for most of the year and has a cold climate. So here are the few examples of the houses that are built in different region. Slope roof that do not let the rain stand on the roof. Yes, this is the house. You can see where in the landform where it get heavy rainfall, the houses are built in this type of roofs. Why? Because if the rain come, the rainwater must not stand on the roof. And here is a house of flat roof. Here is a house of flat roof, so that rainwater can be collected. Moving to the next slide. What is the next slide? Characteristics of a tropical monsoon climate. Characteristics of a tropical monsoon climate. Two dry season with a low rainfall. Cool and dry, that is winter. Hot and dry, that is summer. And next is rainy season with heavy rainfall. Rainy season with heavy rainfall. Next is factors affecting climate of a place. First is distance of a place from the sea. Land breezes and sea breezes help in keeping the climate moderate in coastal area. Land breezes and sea breezes help in keeping the climate moderate in coastal area. Here you can see this is sea breeze and this picture indicates the land breeze. First, cooler area sinks, sinking area spreads along surface, and again warm area rises, and again rising area help form clouds. In this way it circulates. Yes, and here in the land breeze, rising air help form clouds, warm air, here it is, you can see here in this picture, rising area helps form clouds and cooler area sinks, sinking air spread along surface, and again warm air rises. This is sea breeze and this is land breeze. Yes, understood student? If not, you can ask me. Next is altitude. Next is altitude. Altitude of a place, areas located at high altitude experiences a colder climate. Here you can see extreme altitude. This is extreme altitude. So which place, which landform you can see, we can find it? What do you mean by altitude? Means the height of the place where will get very cold. So you can see here in which region do we find which landform? The northern mountain and northern plain. Yes, right students. Next third is direction of winds. Direction of winds. Winds blowing from cold region, that is the northern plain. Next, winds blowing from hot region. Winds blowing from hot region. Can you all guess which landform is this? Yes, this is desert. This is desert region. Which region is this? This is desert. Next, wind blowing from the coastal region. Yes, wind blowing from the sea. Wind blowing from the sea. Which landform is this? This is coastal plain. Next, distance of a place from the equator. Distance of a place from the equator. Here you can see sunlight stretches directly to the equator. The places that are near to the near here, it get more heat. It get more heat, and here low angle of incoming sunlight means in northern pole the sun is widely spread. So here it is less hot. Next is temperature, humidity and rainfall. Temperature, humidity and rainfall. What do you mean by temperature? Hot or cold. Finding the how hot or cold a place or a thing is. How hot or cold a place or a thing is. That is known as temperature. Humidity. What do you mean by humidity? The water that is stored in the air. That is known as humidity. Next, moving on to seasons. A season is a division of a year marked by in the weather. Marked by area in the weather. So season, how many seasons can you see here? Here is a spring, monsoon, autumn, winter and summer. So in India we are having 3 main seasons. How many seasons? There are 3 main seasons in India. Which are those 3 main seasons in India? Those are summer, which starts from mid-March to end of June. Next is monsoon, which start from end of June till end of October. Next is winter, which starts from November to beginning of the February. Yes, shall we repeat it once again? In India there are 3 main seasons. Which are those 3 main seasons? First is summer, which starts from mid-March and end till the end of the June. Second is monsoon, which start from end of the June till the end of the October. Next, third is winter. Third is winter, which start from November and end till the beginning of the February. Moving on to the next slide. So first we will study about summer season. Summer is the hottest season. Summer is the hottest season, falling after spring. Summer season comes after spring and before autumn. In summer, the days are longer. In summer, the days are longer and nights are shorter. It begins in mid-March and lasts until the end of June. The temperature in most of part of country remains high. During summer, the temperature will be very high. For example, in northern state like Delhi, Bihar, even in Rajasthan, and Nagpur is one of the hottest state of India. And here is one state, Faludi in Rajasthan, is one of the hottest place in India. Afternoons, hot and dry wind. In afternoon, hot and dry wind that blow, that is known as low. low. What is it known as? Low. Okay, in summer, which type of dresses do you like to wear? Yes, I like to wear cotton. Which dress do you like to wear? Yes, you all also like to wear cotton? Yes. And students, do you all know in summer which is the main fruit that we eat? Yes, mango. It is a seasonal fruit. Yes, it is a summer season fruit, that is mango. And we even drink lot of water. And again, what will you do? You'll eat ice creams, watermelon, right, during summer. Yes. And moving on to next slide, that is monsoon. I like monsoon. Do you all also like monsoon? Yes, I like to play in rain. Do you all like? Yes. The summer season is followed by monsoon season. It lasts from the end of June. It starts from the end of June and it will be till the end of the October. Indian monsoon affect India and its surrounding water bodies. The rainfall in India mainly occurs because of the monsoon winds. Because of the monsoon winds blow from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. It blows from the northeast during cooler month. It blows from northeast during the cooler month and reverse direction. To blow from the southwest during warmest month. These winds carry a lot of moisture which causes heavy rainfall. What does it carry? It carries moistures. Through that we get heavy rainfall. Little or scanty rainfall may cause droughts. Droughts means dry land. Okay. Little or scanty rainfall may cause droughts. Both floods and droughts are harmful for the farmers since they destroy crops. How can you guess how flood and droughts both can affect the farmers? If we get heavy rainfall, the crops will be washed out in the rain. And if there is no rainfall, little rain or scanty rainfall, so then we cannot grow the crops. So that the crops will destroy and it will be very harmful for the farmers even as well as the people living in that state or the country. Okay students, can I ask you a few questions regarding monsoon? What do you all use when rain occur? Yes, we use umbrella, right? We use raincoats. Yes, and during monsoon we can even see the rainbow. Here you can see during monsoon we can even see the rainbow. Yes. Moving on to next season, can you all guess which is the next season? The next season is winter. Next season is winter. Winter is the coldest season of the year. Winter is the coldest season of the year. The days are shorter and the nights are longer. In winter, the days are shorter and nights are longer. Winter comes after autumn. Winter comes after autumn and before spring. Winter comes after autumn, before spring. The coastal and southern parts of India have pleasant weather. The coastal and the southern part of India have pleasant weather throughout the year. They are surrounded by water on all three sides. Some regions sometimes receive occasionally rainfall. During winter, some regions receives rainfall. The mountain receives snowfall. What do the mountain receive? Snowfall. Because of winds that are known as western disturbance. Western disturbance. Here you can see, in winter, which type of clothes do we wear? Which type of clothes we wear? We wear woolen cloths. Yes, we wear woolen cloths. And here you can see the children are playing. Yes, during winter with in the ice mountain area. There in mountain area during the winter it receives snowfall. Next is autumn. The season between monsoon and winter. The season between monsoon and winter is known as autumn. The season between monsoon and winter is known as autumn. During this time, the weather remains dry. During autumn, the weather remains dry, cool, and even pleasant. Next, some trees shade their leaves. During autumn, trees shade their leaves. The trees' leaves start getting which colors? Yellow, orange, red. Here you can see some trees have shed their leaves. They have shed their leaves. Which all colors? Like yellow, orange and red. Bird starts to store food in their nest. This season is also known as fall season. This season is also known as fall season. This season starts at September and end on December. This autumn season starts at September and end on December. This season starts with autumnal equinox. Many festivals are celebrated during this season. Many festivals are celebrated during this season. Next season is spring. Spring is most pleasant season. Spring is most pleasant season. It set in around February and lasts till the beginning of the summer. When do the spring season start? It starts around February and lasts till the beginning of the summer. The weather during this time is neither too hot nor too cool. The weather during the spring is nor too hot nor too cool. Spring is considered one of the most beautiful season. Spring is considered as one of the most beautiful season of the year. since many new flowers and leaves blossom during this time. Why the spring is called as one of the most beautiful season? During the spring season, new flowers and leaves blossom. So it is called one of the beautiful season. So students, today what did we learn? Shall we revise once again? Yes, today we have learned 7th lesson, that is climate of India. We have learned about weather. Weather changes day to day, whereas climate changes after long period of time. And there are 3 main seasons of India. Which are those 3 main seasons of India? Those are summer, winter and monsoon. And there are other 2 seasons. Which are those 2 seasons? Those are autumn and spring. And even we have learned factors that affect the climate. So students, today we have completed lesson number 7. So please read the textbooks as many times it's possible, and please complete the PDF that we will send you. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.